Hello, 5th grade. Today we're going to be working on lesson 8-8, multiplying fractions and mixed numbers. I'm in your workbook on page 139. You are going to do the even problems on this page, so I'm going to do a few of the odd problems with you. So we'll start with number 1, 3 1/3 times 1/2. So this is page 139. Number 1, 3 1/3 times 1/2. When we multiply by mixed numbers, we have to change them to improper fractions. That's my first step, is to change 3 1/3 to an improper fraction. And remember, to do that, I multiply the whole number times the denominator, that's 3 times 3, and add my numerator, plus 1, so equals 10. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10 thirds times 1/2. Now we multiply. But remember, to make it easier, we're going to simplify before multiplying. So I can divide 2 and 10 both by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then I'll multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 1 is 3. That's 5 thirds, which equals 1 2/3. Now let's look at number 3. Number 3 is 1 1/3 times 1/6. So first I need to change 1 1/3 to an improper fraction. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So it's 4 thirds. So remember, the denominator does not change. Times 1/6. Okay. 2 is a common factor of 4 and 6. So 2 goes into 4 2 times. 2 goes into 6 3 times. There's nothing else that I can simplify. So 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. So it's 2/9. All right, number 5 is 5/6 times 3 1/5. So that's 5/6, I'll keep that. And then 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16, 16/5. All right, 5 is a common factor of 5. So 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 5 once. 2 is a common factor of 6 and 16. So 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 16 8 times. So 1 times 8 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. So I get 8 thirds. Then 3 goes into 8 2 times with 2 left over. So 2 2/3. All right, I'm going to go on to number 7. Number 7 is 6 1/8 times 4/7. So 6 times 8 is 48, plus 1 is 49. 49/8 times 4/7. And we can see right away that 7 is a factor of 7 and 49. So 7 goes into 7 once and into 49 7 times. 4 is a factor of 4 and 8. 4 goes into 4 once and it goes into 8 twice. So 7 times 1 is 7. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 goes into 7 3 times with 1 left over, 3 1/2. And then I'm going to do one more with you. I'm going to go down to number 17. Number 17 is 3/7 times 14 1/9. So 3/7 times 14 1/9. I have to change this to an improper fraction. So 14 times 9 is 126, plus 1 is 127. So 127/9. 3 is a common factor of 3 and 9. 3 goes into 3 once, goes into 9 3 times. Unfortunately, 7 is not a factor of 127. So I just have to multiply 127 over 21. And then I have to divide 127 divided by 21. And 21 goes into 127 6 times with 1 left over. So 6 1/21. So that's a few of the odd problems. You're going to go ahead and do the even problems on this page.